Rando is here! And not only am I here, I'm here to do with you and a close friend a safe and sane demo tonight on the BBQ Rando Ranch. But before we get to the firework, watch this. Say hello above, the one, the only. Say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro, what do we got tonight to demo?
Witchcraft from FireHawk.
Whoa, FireHawk Fireworks. We're going to zoom in there. By the way, everybody, Ziggy's here. Say hello to Ziggy. And Witchcraft, this is a pretty potent fountain. I did this one years ago. Sergeant Pyro and I have lit a few of these over the last few years. And, you know, Sergeant Pyro, before we talk about the firework, where can people in Arizona and parts of New Mexico get this firework?
Santan Fireworks.
Santan Fireworks. SantanFireworks.com for all your safe and sane firework needs for July 4th holiday and New Year's Eve holiday. Santan Fireworks, the largest retailer in the state of Arizona, who gives out the most outstanding safe and sane fireworks. Why Santan Fireworks? Well, they got 60 locations in Arizona, 2 locations in New Mexico, and this is why BBQ Rando gets 98.2% of all its fireworks from Santan Fireworks. It's because they have the best quality, the biggest selection, and the best bang for the buck, and the best prices anywhere. Don't go to that other fireworks stand. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Back up the truck, park on out, and come on around to SantanFireworks.com. All right, now, Sergeant Pyro, are there any effects on this little witchcraft fountain?
Just says shoot some sparks.
Okay. Oh, there she is. She looks a bit happier in that picture. There we go. We got a little owl, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, you know, again, we keep going around. She's going to be flying on her broom. Yeah, there we go. I'm sure we all know a few of those type of witches in our lives. No comments. No comments. All right, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to take Witchcraft by FireHawk Fireworks out to the street pad, and let's see how far we can get this witch to fly?
Yeah.
Let's go! Hey, so we made it to the street pad, and I want everyone to know it's 104 degrees in the evening here on the BBQ Rando Ranch. So, we're gonna...
Steady, Ziggy.
Yep, Ziggy! Look out for the witch! There we go. City. Whoa!
One more.
She's hanging in there.
Come on, Captain.
Whoa! That was the witch. Oh, I like this.
Very nice.
Oh, whoa. 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 We're going to zoom in. We got a tiki torch, and you know what? Barbecue! Oh, yeah.